This is something we all wait, some every month, some every 2 weeks, some every day, some every week. Let's see what word we have in Master Azerbaijani word of the day today. It's maaş. Maaş. Maaş is salary or wage or pay. All right? Now, these are the phrases. Monthly salary, hourly wage, pay raise. Let's see. Aylıq maaş, for those who receive it on a monthly basis. Saatlıq maaş, saat is hour, saatlıq hourly. Maaş artımı, pay raise. A fun thing to have. Let's discover some sentences. Mənim maaşım bu ay gecikdi. My salary was delayed this month. Mənim maaşım, my salary. Bu ay, this month. Gecikdi was delayed. The infinitive form of the action word is gecikmək. Gecikdi. You drop the mek. Magmek is the to. Gecikmek, to be late. And then you bring the past tense suffix. Gecikdi. All right? Let's see another sentence. O, yeni işdə daha yüksək maaş alır. Let's see. He or she gets a higher salary at the new job. Yeni işdə, at the new job. Daha yüksək, again, comparatives here. Daha yüksək, higher, and yüksək, highest. O, depending on the context, can be he or she. We already know that, right? Alır, gets. Almak, infinitive form. Alır, he or she gets. Right? That was my way of using maaş. I have another way of using where you don't have to have 100% Azerbaijani words. Everybody deserves a fair maaş for the hard work they do. Maaş. It's a nice word. It's a real word. I have another one tomorrow. Make sure to come back to check it. Until then, feel free to check my blogs where I post every 10 days on masterazerbaijani.com. Cheers.